Welcome guys, I'm gonna find out how to fix startup apps not shown. This is a problem that normal Windows users come across. So as you can see, there are no startup items to display. And this problem, if you search anywhere on the internet, they will tell you to do this. They will tell you to go to this PC, see users, username, app data, roaming, Microsoft, Windows, start menu, programs, and then go there, make a new folder, name it as startup. And then save it. And then they will ask you to refresh, close, and then go back to Task Manager and go to Startup. But this will not solve it. It turns out this process is correct, but this process is only halfway done. There is another place that you should make a folder named startup. This is the other part of the way to fix this problem. So go to this PC, see program data, Microsoft, Windows, start menu, programs. In here, make a new folder known as startup. Make sure that you name it exactly correctly. Don't misspell it, then it will not work. As you can see, nothing happened. Close Task Manager and go back to Task Manager, go to Startup, and here we go. Now you can see the startup programs correctly. So guys, thanks for watching this video, and stay tuned for more updates like this in the future. So do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and ring the bell icon for notifications. So see you guys in another video like this. Bye guys.